Hello, it is 11:19. We're a bit later than normal, and it is time for our quiz. If you're online, put your name in the chat box so I can see who is here. And we are going to go ahead and start. Okay, everyone is in the classroom again. Hello. Unbelievable. Got the enthusiasm of a dying swan. Okay, so today we're going to do the quiz, and it's a general knowledge quiz today. So if you were expecting maths, then unfortunately you will need some tissues for your tiny tears. Okay. You may hear iron in the background. I know it's a disappointment for us all. So hello, who's in the room? We've got Sahil, Pizza's here, Dowd's here, Zuleika's here, and that's it. Brilliant. Good times, everyone. Good times. All right, so we're going to start the quiz. Question number 1 is: what is the capital city of Colombia? What is the capital city of Colombia? Morning, Abs, Jojo. We're all here too. Hello, 6W and 6H. Hiya, channel. So, first question: what's the capital of Colombia? Question number 2: how many days are there in November? Please do not post any of the answers on the chat because I will ban you from chatting. Thank you. And they may not be right equally. Okay, next question. Which city is furthest from Manchester in miles? Is it Newcastle, Swansea, or Cambridge? Which city is furthest from Manchester in miles? Is it Newcastle, Swansea, or Cambridge? Oh, I wish I could show you the vague expressions of the children in this classroom, which pretty much look like this. All right, next question. If I was in Nice, what country would I be in? If I was in Nice, what country would I be in? If I was in Nice, what country would I be in? Oh, thanks. I am nice. Yes, you're correct. Oh, sorry. You're saying that it's pronounced Nice. If I was in Nice, what country would I be in? Bear in mind, this was on the news probably about 18 months ago, maybe 2 years ago. This city for a very poor reason. Next question. If you don't know, have a guess. You've got a 1 in 194 chance of getting that right. What animal was... I meant Dumbo. Jumbo is actually a giraffe in Africa. Dumbo. Sorry, that sounded like I was actually calling you that then. I wasn't calling you that. I was just saying Dumbo. So Dumbo. What animal was Dumbo? Next question. What do the angles of a triangle add up to? Next question. What was special about the ancient city of Baghdad? What was special about the ancient city of Baghdad? Next question. There was something very special about the city of Baghdad. We've just had one of the answers here, so you know you're wrong if you put this. Was it had some gates? Now I'm going to go with the fact that most cities have an entrance and an exit, therefore they probably have a gate. So if you put gate, I suggest you amend your answer, otherwise you've done us a hair.
I didn't pick gate, I just suggested gate.
Okay, next question. If you were a Geordie, what city would you be from? If you was a Geordie, what city would you be from?
I only know because my cousin stayed there and Mr. Barton just just tell us about it.
If you was a Geordie, where would you be from?
Scotland.
What is L.S. Lowry famous for? What is L.S. Lowry famous for? What is L.S. Lowry famous for? Don't worry, I'll go through all the questions again at the end. Okay. What country was Nelson Mandela the president of? What country was Nelson Mandela the president of? USA. USA. It wasn't USA. What is the square root of 25? What is the square root of 25? Next question. Sorry, we just have to wait for Sahar. She's blowing her nose and decided she wants to walk across the classroom. Sorry, Sahar. Thanks, Sahar. Thanks, Sahar. Wow, wow. Unbelievable. I have hay fever. Okay, next one. If I own 2 cats, 3 dogs, a 1-legged parrot, and live with 3 family members, how many legs would be in my house? If I own 2 cats, 3 dogs, a 1-legged parrot, and live with 3 family members, how many legs would there be in my house? Two cats, 3 dogs, a 1-legged parrot, and live with 3 family members. How many legs would be in my house? Next question. Who in 6E is called Ruby? Who in 6E is called Ruby? Next question. Who in 6H has the nickname TC? I'm not bothered about the spelling. I just need to know who it is. Who in 6H has the nickname TC? Who in 6W has the nickname CB? Me know this. Abra knows this. Me know this. Next question. What is the capital city of Spain? What's the capital city of Spain? Next one. What is verde in French? Oh, it's supposed to be a T in it. V-E-R-T-E. Verte. Verte. Slightly incorrect spelling, but you get what it is. Sorry, everyone, we have to stop the quiz because Simon has decided she doesn't know the answer to this question. I don't even know this one. Okay, number 18. What film is the song This Is Me from? What film is the song This Is Me from? We can continue with the quiz. Simon knows the answer to this one. Is this number 19? Okay, number 19. If today was tomorrow, yes, if today was tomorrow, it meant to say, if today was yesterday and tomorrow is the day after, what is today called? If today is yesterday and tomorrow is the day after, what is today called? Today is yesterday and tomorrow is the day after, what is today called?
As an actual thing.
Just answer the question. If today is yesterday and tomorrow is the day after, what is today called? Ah. Okay, so we'll go through the questions again, so in case you've missed one. Question 1 was, what is the capital city of Colombia? Question 2, how many days are there in November? Number 3, which city is furthest from Manchester, Newcastle, Swansea or Cambridge? Number 4, if I was in Nice, what country would I be in? Number 5, what animal was Dumbo, not Jumbo the giraffe, Dumbo. Number 6, what do the angles of a triangle add up to? Number 7, what was special about the ancient city of Baghdad? And number 8, if you were a Geordie, what city would you come from? Number 9, what is Ellis Lowry famous for? Number 10, what country did Nelson Mandela the president of? Number 11, what is the square root of 25? Number 12, if I owned 2 cats, 3 dogs, and 1-legged parrot and lived with 3 family members, how many legs would be in my house? Who in 6E is called Ruby? Who in 6H has the nickname TC? And who in 6W has the nickname CB? What is the capital of Spain? What is vert in French? I think that's the Spanish spelling, by the way. All right. What film is the song This Is Me from? If today was yesterday and tomorrow is the day after, what is today called? Okay, I'm going to give you a second to do your answers. I'm going to go next door and check on the other two to see if they're up to where we are, and then I'm going to come back and give you the answers. While I'm doing that, Nadia is going to provide some instrumental music with just her voice. No? Okay, maybe she's not going to do that. I'll be back in 1 second. That was mildly disappointing, Nadia. You should take a look at yourself in a mirror. Oh, we're still recording? Awkward. Okay, we're going to go through the answers. The answers are number 1. What's the capital city of Colombia? The capital city of Colombia is Bogota. Bogota, Colombia. Bogota. Bogota. If you didn't spell it right, it's okay, as long as you got the general idea. Number 2. How many days are there in November? There are 30 days in November. That was actually a year 6 SATs question last year in maths. And people got it wrong. Next question. Which city is furthest from Manchester? Well, one of these is north, which is Newcastle. One of these is south east, and one is south west. The furthest one away is Swansea. If I was in Nice, what country would I be in? I would be in France. It is in the south of France. And it is nice in Nice. It actually is really nice in Nice. What animal was Jumbo? Jumbo is a giraffe. Unfortunately, I was looking for what animal was Dumbo, which is why I repeated the question. And I actually shouted Dumbo, and it appeared that I was shouting at Ian and going, here he is, Dumbo. I wasn't making that comment. That was just taken the wrong way. Dumbo is a large-eared elephant. What do the angles of a triangle add up to? 180 degrees. It's half of a quadrilateral. 180 degrees. Just we need to take a little pause there to do an air clap for Mohammed Dowd, who feels that every time he's got one right, he needs to shout, "We're all correct so far." Next question. What was special about the ancient city of Baghdad? It was a round city. It was built in a round circular shape. I don't know why you said that either. If you were a Geordie, what city would you be from? You would be from Newcastle. What is L.S. Lowry famous for? Now, if you put one second, I had no idea about this brackets Baghdad. We learnt about it being a circular city this year, didn't we? Yeah. We drew a picture of it being a circular city this year. Yeah. I give up. Well, I don't give up. I've only got 2 weeks left. I'm still fighting, guys. Still fighting. Anyway, what is L.S. Lowry famous for? So there's 2 points on offer for this. 1 point if you say he's a famous artist. But the other, if you put he is famous for painting matchstick men and matchstick cats and dogs. What about artwork? Artist, artwork, painter. No one understood a word of what she said then. Okay, Next one. What country was Nelson Mandela president of? He was the president of South Africa. South Africa. If you put Africa, you got it wrong because Africa is a continent. What is the square root of 25? 5 is the square root of 25. If I own 2 cats, 3 dogs, a 1-legged parrot, and live with 3 family members, how many legs would be in my house? Well, 2 cats is 2 times 2, which is 4. 3 dogs is 3 times 2, which is 6. So we have 10 there. Oh, sorry. 3 times 4, 12. What? I've lost what we're saying now. So 2 cats is 8. 3 dogs is 12. So we're on 20. A 1-legged parrot makes us 21. 3 family members makes us 27, and yourself makes you 29 legs. Well, stop for a second, everyone. Nadia got 31. She's clearly included a random stranger in the house. That there may be someone living in the loft. I don't know. There may be someone living in the loft. Next question. Who in 6E is called Ruby? Well, Ruby is Kiran in 6E. She likes to go by a pseudonym. It's a writing name. It's weird. She sounds at the end of everything. Next one. Who in 6H has the nickname TC? Well, TC is Tegan Cook. So TC. Who in 6W has the nickname CB? Well, CB, who, by the way, has got a wicked hairstyle at the moment. Ish. It's Charlie Brown. What is the capital city of Spain? Can we just try and get an answer here? Umar. You had it right. It's Madrid, not Barcelona. Umar crumbled under the pressure in front of everyone and went, Barcelona? Madrid is the capital city of Spain. What is vert in French? It is the colour green. You actually did write it right. Oh, sorry. I'm slightly getting abused of the children in my class when they don't know what a Geordie is. I'm just saying. I do. I got it right. Yeah. Okay, what film is this song? It's the song "This Is Me" from. It's from a film which is named after me, The Greatest Showman. If today was tomorrow, today was yesterday, and tomorrow is the day after, what is today called? Today. 12 a.m. Today is called Today. Today is called Today. I don't make the rules. I just make up the questions. Okay, if you've got a score, write it down in the comment section. We're going to do one random question to finish off. One random question. So whatever score you got, this random question is worth 10,000 points. What? Okay. Okay, here is your tiebreaker question, and it's worth 10 million points. So, if you're the closest to it, you are the winner. The question is this: everybody's heard of the Starbucks coffee chain. Okay, Starbucks is a famous coffee chain. Okay, how many cups of coffee? How many cups of coffee did Starbucks worldwide sell last year? How many cups of coffee did they sell last year? And I'm going to have it to the nearest 100 million. So that gives you an idea of the number that you are looking at. To the nearest 100 million. Right, your answer in the comments section. The nearest to it gets it. How many cups of coffee did Starbucks sell worldwide last year? Right, we're going to quickly go around 6E's classroom to see what we've got, and I've got lots of answers on the text. So, Jagir, what answer?
257,238,492.
And one was spilt on the floor. Simon?
5,520,600,987.
Very precise, this. Nads? 4.7 billion. Amina? Amani, I mean. 900.5 right, okay, million, yeah. Rubes? 15 million. Abdullah? 500 million. Ooms? 100 million. 200 million. And 4 billion. All right. So the actual answer is this. In the world, last year, Starbucks sold 2.9 billion cups of coffee. So if you said 3 billion, you were nearest to it. Now, I've got roughly 4 billion, but that's not roughly. That's a billion out. Okay? That means, on average, they sell 8 million cups of coffee per day. Have a think about that number for a small second. I'm going to say a small second. Seconds are small anyway. You've thought about it too long now. You're making it awkward. Yeah. 8 million cups of coffee per day. Okay. Dowd, if you said 3, you were definitely wrong because it's 3 billion. Well done. You've achieved. All right. Okay. So that's it for today. Have a lovely day, everybody. If you're sat at home, if you're in school, whatevs. We will have another live quiz tomorrow. I will message you the time in the morning. Have a great day. People keep asking me if I'm going to spin the wheel. I will spin the wheel because I'm not doing any more live lessons from home anymore. I will spin the wheel on the last week. So every child in school will be on spin the wheel. Okay, unless you've won it before. Have a great day, everyone. See you all later.
Bye.
6E, you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Wow, that was awesome.